Namaste, dear listeners, and welcome back to Dharma Bites, where we explore the wonders of history, culture, and spirituality. I am your host, Anisha, and in today's episode, we delve into the enigmatic grandeur of the Chidambaram Nataraja Temple, a sacred space where divinity, dance, and cosmic philosophy converge. Nested in the heart of Tamil Nadu, this temple embodies the infinite and serves as a bridge between the earthly and the celestial. So sit back and join us on this mesmerizing journey to one of India's most revered sanctuaries. The legacy of Chidambaram Nataraja Temple. Chidambaram is a town steeped in spiritual significance, home to the illustrious Thillai Nataraja Temple, where Lord Shiva is venerated as Nataraja, the cosmic dancer. This temple is unique in that it represents Shiva as the embodiment of the sky element, signifying the vastness of existence itself. With origins tracing back over 3,500 years, the temple has withstood the test of time, evolving through the patronage of dynasties such as Cholas, Pandyas, Vijayanagara kings, and Pallavas. Each contributed to its architecture, transforming it into an artistic and spiritual masterpiece of the Dravidian tradition. The architecture of the Chidambaram Nataraja Temple is a confluence of cosmic symbolism and intricate craftsmanship. Spanning 40 acres, the temple once stood amidst the lush Thillai forests, from which it derives its alternate name, Thillai Nataraja Temple. One of its most astounding features is the roof of the Chitta Sabha. Made of 21,600 gold tiles, fastened with 72,000 golden nails, figures that are profoundly symbolic, representing the breath taken by a human in a day and the nerve channels within the body. This intricate design underscores the temple's connection to both the cosmos and human anatomy. At the heart of the temple lies the Sanctum Sanctorum, the Chitta Sabha, where Lord Nataraja is enshrined in a dancing pose. Unlike most Shiva temples that primarily house a lingam, Chidambaram uniquely reverses the Lord in his dynamic anthropomorphic form. Behind the idol stands a black curtain concealing what is said to be the temple's deepest mystery, the formless presence of Shiva. The temple comprises of 5 grand halls or sabhas, each signifying a different dimension of existence. The Raja Sabha, the grandest, once hosted royal and spiritual gatherings, while the Nritya Sabha, adorned with exquisite sculptures, celebrates the art of Bharatnatyam, an ancient dance form said to have originated here. Chidambaram Rahasyam, the sacred secret. Among the temple's most captivating aspects is the Chidambaram Rahasyam, the secret of Chidambaram. This sacred mystery is rooted in the profound Hindu philosophy, representing Lord Shiva's presence in his most abstract form, Akasha. Unlike conventional temple deities, the secret is concealed behind a black curtain within the sanctum, symbolizing Maya or illusion. This is not merely an empty void. It is a philosophical concept, the supreme reality that transcends philosophical physical perception. During sacred rituals, the curtain is drawn aside, signifying the unveiling of divine knowledge and the dissolution of ignorance. The absence of a tangible deity here reaffirms the belief that the divine is omnipresent and beyond form, accessible only through inner realization. The cosmic dance and spiritual significance. Chidambaram is often referred to as the Hall of Wisdom, as it embodies the eternal rhythm of creation and destruction. According to legend, it was here that Lord Shiva performed the Ananda Tandav, the dance of supreme bliss. Two great sages, Patanjali and Vyagrapada, are believed to have witnessed this celestial performance after years of penance. This dance, comprising 108 karnas or movements, symbolizes the cosmic cycle of birth, sustenance, and dissolution, encapsulating the very essence of existence. The 5 elemental shrines. The Chidambaram temple is a part of the Panchabhuta Sthalam, 5 temples dedicated to Lord Shiva, each representing one of nature's fundamental elements. Jambukeshwara represents water, Ekambareshwara represents earth, Arunachaleshwara represents fire, Sri Kalahastinathar represents air, and it is here the Chidambaram Thillai Nataraja that represents sky. Amazingly, these 5 temples are aligned almost perfectly in a straight line across the southern Indian continent. An architectural feat continues to intrigue researchers and historians. Legends and myths related to this temple. Chidambaram's rich tapestry of mythology includes a legend where a group of sages in the Thillai forest attempted to subdue Lord Shiva with their mystical rituals. In response, Shiva, accompanied by Lord Vishnu in his Mohini form, entered the forest. The enraged sages summoned serpents, a tiger, and even a powerful demon. But Shiva effortlessly tamed them all. Finally, he performed the Ananda Tandav, revealing the ultimate truth. Divinity is beyond human control and exists beyond mere rituals and illusions. Scientific and mystical marvels. Beyond its religious significance, Chidambaram fascinates scientists and scholars alike. Studies suggest that the temple is aligned with the Earth's magnetic equator, contributing to its unique energy field. The temple's governance by Dikshidhar priests community is another historical marvel. This lineage-based administration is regarded as one of the world's oldest democratic religious institutions, surviving uninterrupted for centuries. Moreover, the temple's 9 gateways correspond to the 9 orifices of the human body, reinforcing the belief that the microcosm, the individual, is intricately linked to the macrocosm, the universe. The Chidambaram Nataraja temple, not just an architectural wonder, it is a living testament to the harmony between art, spirituality, and cosmic philosophy. Its profound symbolism, rich heritage, and mesmerizing grandeur make it unparalleled destination for seekers of wisdom, history, and artistic beauty. As we conclude today's episode, we leave you with this thought. Chidambaram is not merely a temple, but a getaway to understanding the universe's intricate, mystical designs. Thank you for joining on this journey, and stay tuned where we meet back for the next part of this 5-parted podcast. Until next time, keep exploring and keep seeking the divine within you and around you.